Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to see Facebook Story Archive. So this will show you how to find old stories on Facebook. I will show you how to do this on your mobile devices with a Facebook app, but first of all I'll show you how to do it on facebook.com on your laptops or computers. So the first step is to go to your profile. So as you can see me doing, click on your profile at the top of the page where your name is there. Then it will bring up your profile page, then find archive at the top tab, click on that, then in that section there you will see your old Facebook stories. Now on your phone, go to the bottom right hand corner where you see those three little lines, then click on your name at the top on your profile, then click the three little dots to the right hand side middle of the screen. Then you want to click Story Archive in that profile settings menu. Then there you will see your old stories. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see my how-to videos on the Facebook app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.